it's Maxima and it's Valentine. Like always, I'm in here to show you how you can arrange your Valentine on budget. So, bibbidi babbidi boo. Let's see together. If you don't have money and you're sad that you can't buy a beautiful gift for your friends and for your love, I want to say you don't worry. There is always a way that you can arrange your gift. Like always, I have a surprise for you. Today I'm gonna show you. It's in here, these beautiful heart-shaped sponges or blenders that I found at the Flying Tiger. Do you imagine how much I spent for them? Just €2. I have to confess, my friends, that these beautiful colorful sponges just mesmerized me in the Flying Tiger, and I hope also it works good as it looks like, but I'm sure they're gonna work great. So let's unbox it and try it together. Here we are. Look at these beautiful cute small blenders, guys. I fell in love with the colors. Just look how much they're cute. I can't believe it that I spent just €2 for 9 beauty blender. So let me see. The quality is great. They're tough and compressed enough, like a good quality beauty blender that I have it from Sephora and Kiko. And they have so beautiful cute colors. Really, I love you, Tiger, and this Valentine theme, heart shape, that I fell in love with it. And also it can be useful for me because it's sharp in here. You can blend easily the edges of the nose, the edges of the eyes, and the narrow parts of the face that it can't go easily, the round blenders. And really, they're so cute. Just look, guys, I fell in love with them, and the quality really looks great. So let's try it. Now let's try these little cute blenders. Look, guys, it works really great. This is small cuties. It blended really well. Maybe I struggled a little bit more to blend all of the concealers that I use, but come on, it's just €2. I can say they're the best blenders in the world, but it's just €2. It's really worth it. You can bring it to the travel. You can always have it in your bag, to your makeup bag, in your office, in the work. And they're really great. I really love it, and they're so cute. Look at this heart-shaped style, and it has a sharp angle that really can help you, for example, to blend the parts like in here, the edges of the nose, the edges of the eyes goes easily inside because they are cute, smallest, and they have an ankle in here, so You can use them very well. I really fell in love with them. And you know, I love hearts, I love the Valentine theme, and they're so cute. And they cost just €2, but trust me, if you touch them and see the texture and quality, they're really worth it. They are really like a good expensive blender because they're tough, compressed, and a good blender, a good sponge. I'm really happy that I have them. They're so cute. Okay, my beautiful friends, we saw these cuties together and how they were great. And guys, trust me, don't hesitate if you have flying tiger in your country to go and take a look on it. I'm sure you're gonna fall in love with a lot of the stuff. The objects, they're cheap but smart and beautiful. They're just cheap in money that you spend, but in the quality, they are not really cheap and they are worthy. I choose for you this beautiful cutie heart-shaped blenders because my channel is all about makeup. But guys, trust me, go to the Tiger. You can find a lot of objects in heart-shaped and Valentine theme. The heart-shaped magnets, the heart-shaped cushion, the notebooks. Even, you can't believe me, the toilet papers with the heart textile candy toilet papers, that they are so cute. Marshmallow, chocolates, everything that you imagine. Lots of items and stuffs for Valentine, and they're really cheap, and maybe with €1-2 you can buy a ton of the things. And just believe me, if you don't have a lot of money, a big budget, you can go over there, you can buy a box, I don't know, with €20, with $20. You can fill this box with all of the interesting, exciting items for the Valentines that all of the girls and guys, they're gonna fall in love with them. And personally, I'm dying for chocolates and marshmallow. I have a kid inside me that always a marshmallow can be exciting for me. You can't believe they have a strawberry heart-shaped marshmallows. They look so cute, just for €1-2. Even the notebooks and the cushions that they have this texture that I love them so much. The sequin rainbow one that they change. This is one of my favorites in Tiger that I know a lot of people, they are in love with them. The notebooks and the cushions like this, and they're really amazing and not expensive. You can make happy a lot of people with these gifts. And just don't hesitate to go and take a look, and believe me, for arranging something that has the love, you don't have to spend a lot of money. You can just show your love with a small, cute, smart item. My beautiful friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I could help you to arrange your Valentine on budget and nice as possible. Love you from the bottom of my heart, and sweet kisses. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm waiting for your reviews in the comments, and if you like to watch more videos of me, please go and subscribe to the channel. See you soon in the next video.